When was the last time you cleaned your hairbrush? We've got tips on this and other ways to keep your products fresh right now.
So if you're wondering if your hair products expire, yes, they do. Most hair products will last for about 3 years, but most products also have a special code on the back, and it's called the period after opening code. If you want to take it a step further, go to a website called checkcosmetic.net. And then you can go to their cosmetic calculator, and that batch number can be put into this website, and it will tell you the lot and when it was manufactured. One of the problems with buying beauty products online is that you can't check that batch code before you purchase the product. If you buy locally, you'll be able to see that and know for sure that your product is not expired. One of the dirtiest things we use on ourselves every day is our hairbrush. No one really thinks about how dirty it is. It really needs to be cleaned weekly and then deep cleaned at least monthly. So every week, take a teasing comb and just run it through your brush and pull out all the hair. That'll do a lot to keep it clean. And then at the end of each month, do that again, but this time take a toothbrush and some hot soapy water and just slide that along the cushion of the brush just to clean out all that extra oil that's in there. The three things that start to break down products faster than anything are heat, humidity, and water. So it's really important to store your products properly. Look for products that have a lid that's easy to open and close, and keep it closed when you're not using it. Also look for pumps, because that's the best way to keep water out. The third thing is make sure that when you're using a mask, you don't dip your hand in there that's already wet, because if you add water to your mask, it's going to start degrading the product really quickly. And then, of course, tighten the lid when you're finished.